We headed to sunny Tucson, Arizona to learn about the Pima Air Space Museum. The moment you walk in, you're hit with a sense of history and possibility. These aren't just machines, they're stories of innovation, bravery, and the wild dreams that got humans off the ground and in the air. And for the kids, it was like stepping into a real-life science lesson.
Boom! Little fire right there, blows the piston down. And then now the exhaust valve's open, comes out, pushes the exhaust out.
One of our goals this year was to bring learning back to life, to make it hands-on again, and here every corner sparks a new question. How does it fly? Why is this one shaped like that? Did people really sit in there? And the best part is watching our kids learning from their grandparents, stories you won't find in any textbook. Pima Air Space Museum is one of the world's largest aerospace museums, featuring over 400 historic aircrafts across 80 acres. The Pima Air Space Museum has a massive collection ranging from a Wright Flyer replica to modern jets, including an SR-71 Blackbird and the Kennedy's Air Force One. There's 6 hangars and an extensive outdoor display, but on a hot day you want to make sure you bring comfortable shoes, an umbrella, and water, but only small bags are permitted inside. Some of the iconic aircrafts that you'll find here include the B-29 Super Fortress, the SR-71 Blackbird, and the fastest aircraft ever flown. Be prepared to spend the entire day here. There are 6 hangars, which includes a lot of walking. There are flight simulators, restaurants, and interactive displays, which get the kids having so much fun where they don't want to leave. So just prepare to have a day of fun here.
Look at your mom over there.
Hi, Bubby.
Hi.
Oh.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Traveling with grandparents adds a whole new layer to these trips. It slows us down in the best way. It reminds us to savor the moments, the questions, the discoveries, and the shared wonder.
You want me to come? Yeah. Yeah, I do.
We also got to see novelty aircraft such as this flying automobile constructed in Riverside, California. And it's not just seeing and reading about the aircrafts and different artifacts that they have on display. They have lots of volunteers who share stories and history of each artifact or aircraft. It's a great learning experience for our kids to hear and see and learn about and really get an understanding of how history has evolved through aircrafts. And it's really the volunteers who share their knowledge and experience and history with these aircrafts that make these places so special and easy to understand and grasp how special the history is behind each and every one of these machines. And I can't thank these volunteers enough who were kind enough to approach us, share the stories when we show interest in these aircrafts.
On this and the following record were recorded during actual anti-submarine operations of carrier-based
The outdoor yard is massive. Rows and rows of aircrafts from different eras, each with its own personality. Some are sleek, some are rugged, and some that look like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Oh, yeah.
So this airplane actually was flown by the Indian Air Force. It's an American.
The suit is electrically heated.
Oh, that's cool. We visited the Pima Air Space Museum during the spring months, where the temperature is not nearly as hot as it can reach in Tucson, Arizona as it does in the summer. So keep that in mind. And if you have anybody in your party who has any kind of abilities, just know that they have a public tram tour that's about $10 per person and totally worth it. And at the end of your outdoor excursion, it'll lead you to this free nonprofit museum that is separate from the Pima and Air Museum. It's great to see. You can easily spend another half an hour to an hour there. It's air conditioned and a great place to take a small little break before heading back to the parking lot. If you're a homeschool family looking for inspiration or just craving a change of scenery, places like this are pure gold. Learning doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes all it takes is stepping into a new environment and letting curiosity take over. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along as we keep exploring, learning, and making memories together.